guys. Me, next 5555 I don't get it. You know what's the reason why? Leave me alone, Mom. I'm trying to tell you to what. Oh my God! Ese Dios y ya no va. Yo voy a hablar con mami, ¿ok? And she always bothers, like every day. She has something wrong with her, that's why. I have to go offline. That's the only way she will stop talking. So anyways, guys, what I was trying to meant to say is I'm mad. And you know why is that? Because these cats. This has to end today. I had it with these cats for all along. They're making me in trouble. They don't get it. Their stupid brains are not working. Cats should never exist anyways. Syndy is my only cat that does listen. She does always. These stupid cats don't even do it. Like they're not even exist at all. Well, Mama was the one who keeps coming in here like an idiot because he won't stop. He won't stop with his nonsense. Now I had to kill him. He's my super duper raging. Mama, don't even dare come in this room. If you're still alive, you're gonna be dying. Nah. Oh, this is my super duper ray gun. Now this could kill these. This could kill cats. Oh, everything. Why doesn't everything good happen to me? Like every time. Yeah, but every time I invite Brianna, she wants to do a stupid Justin Bieber video. She knows I don't like Justin Bieber, Hannah Montana, or nothing. They're so gay. Don't people get that they're so gay? Or they're so inconceivable? I don't know. But I don't like it. I have to block Brianna from this room. I have to. Right, she's my sister. She is my sister. I prefer brothers anyways. And I have brothers. I have 5 brothers. Syndy is my cat, not a person. Syndy is not a person, she's a cat. And she always listens to me. Smells like a dumbass cat. Today, she bothered me. Yeah, because those cats won't stop them bothering us. I murdered a cat today, and Mama's the one who still existed. I don't even get it. I don't even get it at all. Whiskers is still in hell, of course. And Mama isn't. Mama has to be dead. Okay, now he's dead. Anyways, I have some cats to kill. Okay, watch. Try calling this one. Tell me if I should kill.